In this video, I'll tell you about the task status and how to modify these. So by default, every task that you create has four statuses. You can click over here and change the status like this. So this one, let's do this one. And you can see that status has been changed. You can also click here and you'll see the status over here as well. You can change it from here as well. Now, if you want to, so not all projects need for, sometimes you need more or less items. So what you can do is you can use this button as well, but let's go to the admin section. So admin and say custom status, and then you'll see here, you can add new status from here, and you can edit the names or the color or anything from here from this button as well. You'll see that you can mark a status as completed or archived. You can give this status to anything, any of the uh, any of the statuses that you want, and they'll be used by the system for different reasons. So archived, like if you want to get rid of and you don't want to see this task in the list again, you can use the archived one. And for completed, on the status of the project, like the progress, will be marked as done after you put this to completed. So you can, I'll show you how to edit. So if you want to edit status, you can mark these as completed and archived over here as well. All right, so to show you a bit more with example, like how you can use the statuses, let's go and create a new project, and here you'll see different templates. So all these templates um, have different statuses in them. So, and you can see, like for sales CRM you have different one. um, you can, for order tracking, you have different fields here, and you can modify them as well. So once you go inside, you create a project with this template, you can modify these as well. And let's say for software dev, so this is all different. So you can use the statuses to give more sense to the to where this task is at, and modify them by clicking here or the admin section. All right, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.